Welcome to our channel. For this segment, we're gonna look what's in a Jamaican freezer. Well guys, we have tons of meat in this freezer. We are people of marinating, okay? So we have some goat over here, then we have some pork. Yes, we have marinating pork. So these meats have been washed and put with green seasoning on it, and it has been in the freezer just marinating, waiting for them to be cooked. We have some more goat, then we have over here, we have some more pork. We have around 5 to 10 pound of meat. We just cut them up, season them with some green seasoning, and we put them in the freezer. When we're ready to cook, we can just pop it in the pot, and there you go. Right here, we're gonna have some chicken. Yes, some cleaned and seasoned chicken. And then over here we have some oxtail. I was wondering where it was at because I know I have oxtail in my fridge. Come on, man. We have to have some oxtail. We have some goat, some chicken, and some oxtail. Yes. So thank you for watching. There you have it.